Article assembly occupancies, likely from a building code or safety regulations, defines and provides examples of assembly occupancies. Scope: it applies to building or structures designed for the gathering of 100 or more people for purposes such as deliberation, worship, entertainment, eating, drinking, amusement, or waiting transportation, with exception for those explicitly covered in section 5.20.1.1. A. Samples. Specific samples of assembly occupancies include armories, assembly halls, auditoriums, exhibition halls, gymnasiums, and mortuary chapels. Purpose: the classification of occupancies like assemble occupancies is crucial for determining appropriate fire safety requirements and safeguards in buildings. The second slide is definition of assembly occupancies. Assembly occupancies are places where 100 or more people gather for worship, entertainment, eating, or transportation. This definition helps determine when higher safety requirements are needed. 5.18.1.3 Other articles. A. Hazardous areas. Electrical installations in hazardous areas located in assembled occupancies shall comply with Article 5.0. B. Temporary wiring. In exhibition halls used for display booths, as in trade shows, the temporary wiring should be permitted to be installed in accordance with Article 5.90. Flexible cables and cords approved for hard or extra hard usage shall be permitted to be laid on floors were protected from contact by the general public. The ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI requirements for 590.6 shall not apply. All other ground fault circuit interrupter requirements of this code shall apply. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel that is plug and cord connected to the branch circuit or feeder must be listed as portable ground fault circuit interrupter protection or provide an equivalent level of protection. 2.1 Exception: where conditions of supervision and maintenance ensure that only qualified person will service the installation. Flexible cords or cables identified in Table 4.0.1.4 for hard usage of extra hard usage shall be permitted in cable trays used only for temporary wiring. All cords or cables shall be installed in a single layer. A permanent sign shall be attached to the cable tray at intervals not to exceed 7,500 mm. The sign shall read, "Cable tray for temporary wiring only." C. Emergency systems control of emergency systems shall comply with Article 7.0. 5.18.1.4 Wiring methods. A. General. The fixed wiring methods shall be metal raceways, flexible metal raceways, non-metallic raceways in not less than 50 mm of concrete, type MI, MC, or AC cable. The wiring method shall itself qualify as an equipment grounding conductor according to 2.50.6.9 or shall contain an insulated equipment grounding conductor size in accordance with Table 2.50.6.13. Exception: fixed wiring method shall be as provided in audio signal processing, amplification, and reproduction equipment. Article 6.40. Communication circuits. Article 8.40. Class 2 and Class 3 remote control and signaling circuits. Article 7.25. Fire alarm circuits. Article 7.60. B. Non-rated construction. In addition to the wiring methods of 5.18.1.4, a non-metallic sheeted cable Type AC cable, electrical nonmetallic tubing, and rigid nonmetallic conduit shall be permitted to be installed in those buildings or portions thereof that are not required to be of fire-rated construction by the applicable building code. FPN. Fire-rated construction is the fire-resistive classification used in building codes. C. Spaces with finish rating. Electrical non-metallic tubing and rigid non-metallic conduit shall be permitted to be installed in club rooms, conference and meeting rooms, in hotels or motels, courtrooms, dining facilities, restaurants, mortuary chapels, museums, libraries, and places of religious worship where the following apply. 1. The electrical non-metallic tubing or rigid non-metallic conduit is installed concealed within walls, floors, and ceiling where the walls, floors, and ceiling provide a thermal barrier of material that has at least a 15-minute finish rating as identified in listing of pirated assemblies. 2. The electrical nonmetallic tubing or rigid nonmetallic conduit is installed above suspended ceilings where the suspended ceilings provide a thermal barrier of metallic material that has at least a 15-minute finish rating as identified in listing of fire-rated assemblies. Electrical nonmetallic tubing and rigid nonmetallic conduit are not recognized for use in other space used for environmental air in accordance with 3.0.1.22c. FPN. A finish rating is established for assemblies containing combustible woods or supports. The finish rating is defined as the time at which the wood stud or wood joints reaches an average temperature rise of 121 degrees Celsius or an individual temperature rise of 163 degrees Celsius as measured on the plane the wood nearest the fire. A finish rating is intended to represent a rating for a membrane sealing. 5.18.1.5 Supply. Portable switchboards and portable power distribution equipment shall be supplied only from listed power outlets or sufficient voltage and ampere rating. Such power outlets shall be protected by overcurrent devices. Such overcurrent devices and power outlets shall not be accessible to the general public. Provision for connection of an equipment grounding conductor shall be provided. The neutral conductor of feeders supplying solid-state phase control, three-phase forward dimmer systems shall be considered a current carrying conductor for purposes of ampacity adjustment. The neutral conductor of feeders supplying solid-state sine wave three-phase forward dimming system shall not be considered a current carrying conductor for purposes of ampacity adjustment. Exception. The neutral conductor of feeders supplying systems that use or may use both phase control and sine wave dimmer shall be considered as current carrying for purposes of ampacity adjustment. FPN for definitions of solid state dimmers types. See 5.20.1.2. Article 5.20. Theaters, audience areas of motion picture and television studios, performance areas, and similar locations. 5.20.1 General. 5.20.1.1 Scope. This article covers all buildings or that part of a building or structure, indoor or outdoor, designed or used for presentation, dramatic, musical, motion picture projection, or similar purposes and to specific audience seating areas within motion picture or television area studios. 5.20.1.2 Definitions. Adapter. A device used to adapt a circuit from one configuration of an attachment plug or receptacle to another configuration with the same current rating. Border light. A permanently installed overhead strip light. Breakout assembly. An adapter used to connect a multiple connector containing two or more branch circuits to multiple individual branch circuit connectors. Bundled cables or conductors that are tied, wrapped, taped, or otherwise periodically bound together. Connector strip, a metal wireway containing pendant or flash receptacles. Drop box, a box containing pendant or flash mounted receptacles attached to a multi-conductor cable via strain reliefs or a multiple connector. Footlight, a border light installed on or in the stage. Grouped, cables or conductors positioned adjacent to one another but not in continuous contact with each other. Performance area. The stage and audience seating area associated with a temporary stage structure, whether indoors or outdoors, constructed of scaffolding, truss, platforms, or similar devices that is used for the presentation of theatrical or musical productions or for public presentations. Portable equipment. Equipment feed with portable cords or cables intended to be moved from one place to another. Portable power distribution unit. A power distribution box containing receptacles and overcurrent devices, proscenium, the wall and arc that separates the stage from the auditorium or house. Solid-state phase control dimmer. A solid-state dimmer where the wave shape of the steady-state current does not follow the wave shape of the applied voltage, such that the wave shape is non-linear. Solid-state sine wave dimmer. A solid-state dimmer where the wave shape of the steady-state current follows the wave shape of the applied voltage such that the wave shape is linear. Stage equipment. Equipment at any location on the premises integral to the stage production including but not limited to equipment for lighting, audio, special effects, rigging, motion control, projection, or video. Stage lighting hoist. A motorized lifting device that contains a mounting position for one or more luminaires with wiring devices for connection of luminaires to branch circuits and integral flexible cables to allow the luminaires to travel over the lifting range of the hoist while energized. Stage switchboard. A permanently installed switchboard, panel board, or rack containing dimmers or relays with associated overcurrent protective devices or overcurrent protective devices alone. Used primarily to feed stage equipment. Stage switchboard portable. A portable rack or pack containing dimmers or relays with associated overcurrent protective devices or overcurrent protective devices alone that are used to feed stage equipment. Stand lamp. A portable stand that contains a general-purpose luminaire or lamp holder with guard for the purpose of providing general illumination on the stage or in the auditorium. Strip light. A luminaire with multiple lamps arranged in a row. Two fair. An assembly containing one male plug and two female cord connectors used to connect two loads to one branch circuit. 5.20.1.3 Motion Picture Projectors. Motion picture equipment and its installation and use shall comply with Article 5.40. 20.1.4 Audio Signal Processing, Application and Reproduction Equipment. Audio signal processing, application, and reproduction equipment and its installation shall comply with Article 6.40. 5.20.1.5 Wiring Methods. A. General. The fixed wiring method shall be metal raceways, non-metallic raceways encased in at least 50 mm of concrete, type MI cable, MC cable, or AC cable, containing an insulated equipment, grounding conductor size in accordance with Table 2.50.616.13. Exception. Fixed wiring method shall be as provided in Article 6.40 for audio signal processing, amplification, and reproduction equipment. In Article 8.0 for communication circuits, in Article 7.25 for Class 2 and Class 3, remote control and signaling circuits, and in Article 7.60 for fire alarm circuits. E. Portable equipment. The wiring for portable switchboards, stage set, lighting, stage effects, and other wiring not fixed as to locate shall be permitted with approved flexible cords and cables as provided elsewhere in Article 5.20. Fastening such cables and cords by uninsulated staples or nailing shall not be permitted. C. Non-rated construction, non-metallic sheeted cable, type AC cable, electrical non-metallic tubing, and rigid non-metallic conduit shall be permitted to be installed. Those buildings or portions thereof that are not required to be of fire-rated construction by the applicable building code. 5.20.1.6 Number of conductors in raceway. The number of conductors permitted in any metal conduit, rigid metallic conduit as permitted in this article, or electrical metallic tubing per circuits or for remote control conductors shall not exceed the percentage fill shown in Table 10.1.1.1 were contained within an auxiliary gutter or a wireway. The sum of those of the cross-sectional areas of all contained conductors at any cross-section shall not exceed 20% interior cross-sectional area of the auxiliary gutter or wireway. The 30 conductor limitation of 3.66.2.13 and 3.76.2.13 shall not apply. 5.20.1.1 Enclosing and guarding live parts. Live parts shall be enclosed or guarded to prevent accidental contact by persons and objects. All switches shall be of the externally operable type. Dimmers, including rheostats, shall be placed in cases or cabinets that enclose all live parts. 5.20.1.8 Emergency Systems. Control of emergency systems shall comply with Article 7.0. 5.20.1.9 Branch circuits. A branch circuit of any size supplying one or more receptacles shall be permitted to supply stage set lighting. The voltage rating of the receptacles shall be not less than the circuit voltage. Receptacle ampere ratings and branch circuit conductor ampacity shall be not less than the branch circuit overcurrent device ampere rating. Table 2.10.2.4 B2 and 2.10.2.6 shall not apply. The application of 1.10.1.8 V4 shall not be required.